How to stop MSN from opening on Chrome. Let's get started. Launch your Chrome browser. Now, at the top right corner, you'll find three dots. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Scroll down. You'll find the option of Settings. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the Settings page. Now, at the left corner, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of On Startup. Click on it. Now, over here, you will find different options. Under Open a specific page or set of pages, you will be able to find the option of MSN.com. At the right corner of MSN.com, you will be able to find three dots. You have to click on it. You are getting this issue because you have selected the option of Open a specific page or set of pages. Now you have to click on the option of Remove. Once you remove it, now you have to check in for the option Open the new tab page. Now at the top left corner, you will find this icon, Reload this page. You have to click on it. And with that, you will be good to go. So this way you can easily stop MSN from opening on Chrome. By applying this process, your problem will be fixed. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.